Welcome to JH. Beforeflixic.com is out here promising you the world. Early access to unreleased films, director's cuts, and unlimited streaming. All hidden behind a simple verification wall. Because nothing says legitimate business, like watching a blockbuster before the director has even finished their morning coffee. We decided to dig into this too good to be true offer, and spoiler alert, it's mostly just the too good to be true part without the actual movies. The first concern is a bit of a temporal headache. When we checked the registration, we found the site was created in October 2025. Apparently, these guys are operating from the future, which explains why they have zero online presence in our current timeline. It's incredibly hard to build trust when your website technically hasn't been born yet, but I suppose that's just the price of being a pioneer. Then there's the Start Now button. The moment you click it, the site teleports you to a completely different platform. It's like walking into a cinema and being redirected to a dark alleyway to watch the film on a bedsheet. Not exactly the premium experience they advertised. Legitimate websites don't play hide-and-seek with their users, and this redirect is a massive red flag. For a platform that claims to be the next big thing in entertainment, they're surprisingly shy on social media. We searched for any official profiles, but found absolutely nothing. I guess they're too busy releasing unreleased films to post a single tweet. Most genuine brands actually like talking to their customers, so this total radio silence makes the platform look more suspicious than a free Rolex. To make matters worse, their customer support is essentially a ghost. The site features a support icon, but clicking it does exactly nothing. No email, no phone number, and certainly no help. A reliable site usually lets you reach them, but this one provides the kind of silence you'd expect from a haunted house. It's a bold strategy to offer unlimited streaming, with zero ways to fix a broken link. Finally, we checked for external feedback on platforms like Trustpilot and found a grand total of 0 reviews. Not even a fake one from the owner's cousin. Without any real user experiences, it's impossible to verify their wild claims. Between the future-dated domain, the shady redirects, and the non-existent support, Beforeflixic.com is clearly not a trustworthy platform. Do yourself a favor and stay far away from this one. Thanks for watching till the end, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews, unless you enjoy being the main character in a cybersecurity horror story.